Hi guys. So episode 1 is finally here. We are finally starting season 2. And this is episode 1. This is what we'll be doing in season 2. I can't believe we are done with season 1 already. We did interesting, nice, amazing. I can't find the right words for it. 30 amazing designs of beaded papers. So if you've not checked them out, make sure you do so. And before we get into today's video, if you've not subscribed, you know what to do. Make sure you do click on the subscription button, you turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment each of the episode is uploaded. And let's start. So I'm using this elastic thread. I have black and I have white. We're doing about three different designs. So before we start, I'll be using the white elastic thread, which is about 0.8 mm size for the first design. We are just doing a simple pearl bracelet. So as you can see, I didn't cut the amount I need. I'm just arranging it on it. I'll cut it later so that we don't waste it. So I'm just arranging the number of pearls I will need on it. And the number varies, like we are all different. Yeah, so what will be okay for me may not be okay for you. So I can't give you a specific number, which, to be honest with you, I didn't count. I don't remember the number I picked. But I just measure your hand and you know the number which will be okay for you. Yeah, then just go ahead. So I have this practice hand, and that's what helped me to know the number to pick or to know the size to do. It's almost the same as my hand, so I use that one as a guide. But you can also use your hand if you don't have any practice hand. No big deal here. So after I got the number I wanted, I just went ahead to tie as many knots as possible. This time around I used a single thread, and I discovered a trick which I was showing you in episode 2 shortly, how to use double thread. So I'm just tying a couple of knots. When you tie, you try to pull it apart to see if it will expand. If the knot will expand, if it doesn't, you are good to go. Just cut off the excess thread, and you can see the knot is exposed. So you just push it under one of the pearls, and we've covered our secret. We are good to go. Yeah, so this is the first design. You can see it's gorgeous. Very, very simple. Under 2 minutes, but you are done. This is all about the first design. Let's move on to the second one. I'm using local beads, and I'm using this very separators I just showed you. I'm using the black elastic thread like I said earlier. So I'm just going to arrange. It's all about your creativity, like how creative you are, how you can combine colors to form something nice. So I'm just arranging the local beads, and I call this separators. So I put it in between the local beads just to make it look nice, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything new. So just watch closely. I'll be using crystals. I'll be using a foreign bead. When we say foreign bead, we have what I'm using now is local beads, and the crystals are considered foreign beads. So when we say foreign beads, we are talking of the crystals and the family members. You know what I'm saying? So if you see anything aside the local beads, that's basically what I'm using, the crystals and the other foreign beads. Yeah, I was about saying something, guys. I've forgotten. Yeah. So we've started season 2, and we are doing nice, 30 nice, amazing, interesting designs. You can't let it pass by you. So you know what you can do. Up to this point, I'm sure you are eager to know what is coming your way than even myself. And I'm more than happy and more than eager to give you the best. So you know what to do. Just subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment each of the episodes is uploaded. Oh guys, so initially I was trying to upload at least 3 times a week, then it dropped to 2 times a week. I have started my service. So yeah, and if you see this video, then you'll be reminded. As I talked of service, I remembered I used my service cloth to do a slippers. So if you want to know how you can use any fabric to do slippers, I think it will be on the screen. A card will be on the screen. You can just tap on it and will lead you straight to how you can do a slippers. Slippers you can take out or wear at home with African print or any nice cloth at all. Yeah, so I've started my service, so it's quite time consuming and now my schedules are a bit tight. So I think I'll try to upload at least twice a week, which will be Mondays and Thursdays. But if not, then every week on Tuesday I will try to give you a new episode each. Every week you are getting a new episode. Every week you are getting a new episode. Every single week new episode is coming your way. So, and I'm not sure you want to miss any of them. I use this ring, and I'm sure I've shown you what's the name of this thing, guys? I don't remember. Oh, hey, what is the name? Locket, the sister locket, and I just put the ring on the locket, and I'm attaching it to the elastic thread. That's basically what I did. I'm using black beads. It's also the same size as the pearls, so these are black pearls, and I'm using this metal here. I think this is the last design. I'm using this metal. I've thought and I wasn't looking on the phone too, so I didn't even know the second one was done. Yeah, this is the most basic one we are doing. We have about 29 interesting, nice designs coming your way. And at the end of each episode, I'll introduce the next episode we'll be doing. So make sure you stick around to the end so that you know what we'll be doing in the next episode. Yeah, so I just arranged the number. That was okay for the hand. I think it was less. I needed to add a few more. And I had to measure it again. And this time around it was okay, so I just went ahead to tie a couple of knots. Just like so. Just tie as many knots as you can, and then you try to separate it. You try to pull it apart. If it's unable to pull apart, then you are secured. That's how you check. So you just push the knot under a bead and you are good to go. And guys, this is the last design for this particular episode, which is episode 1. This is beautiful. Very, very simple, but very, very nice and beautiful. Like, you can very, very simple to do as well. So help me welcome episode 2. Guys, so this is what you're doing in episode 2. I'm sure you don't want to mix this. So like you just saw, just subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 2 is uploaded. And I can't wait to show you the simplest, easiest, nice way to do this particular design here. So I guess we'll end it here. Take care, and I will see you in episode 2. Bye.